How to check Windows version in PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Go to the Windows search icon at bottom left corner. Now you can look for the option of settings. On the best match you will find settings and now click on open from the right corner. Once you're on setting panel, you simply need to head towards the search icon at top left, and here you can easily search for the specification. So let's search. So click on Windows specifications option, and now here you can easily see your Windows edition as well as Windows version. So my Windows 11 version is simply 24S2. So similarly you can also look for your Windows version. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.